rope access technician turned inventor. It's been an interesting process. I'm the sole guy. I'm the director, I'm the CEO, I'm the worker, I'm the engineer. I wear all hats. My goal was to have a perfectly light, very secure device to protect a rope or a steel sling from a potential sharp edge. In the beginning of this whole project, I didn't know anything about anything as far as manufacturing went. Found a design firm with an engineer on staff, and they were able to connect me to GoProto.
Collaborating with HP has been a fantastic experience for GoProto as we bring new additive technologies to the marketplace. As companies have looked to minimize their risk but use these new tools, they've looked to partners like HP and the Digital Manufacturing Network as a trusted network of suppliers that provide them with parts that meet their traditional specs using this new technology. Multi-jet fusion is changing the excitement because it addresses some of the problems that existed with other technologies in the past. We're able to make adjustments very, very quickly. Customers will send us a file, get the printed parts back in a matter of days, test them, make quick design changes, send the parts back to be reprinted, and they get their new iteration very, very quickly. It's extremely fast. It's faster than any kind of traditional technology we've been able to use before.
Like any other component of our system, it's basically a cannot fail. Everything that we're doing on site, we're considering the worst case scenario. Using multi-jet fusion and HP's partners around the world, I know I can rely on the part coming out of the machines with a high level of quality control and have them shipped to my clients without having looked at them myself ever.
There's a whole bunch of really exciting things that multi-jet fusion really helps address, which makes it possible to consider additive manufacturing more realistically now than it ever has been able to before.
HP's DMN has definitely empowered me to keep moving ahead and given me some inspiration on all of the different things that we could do with this method. So it's growing. It is the next industrial revolution.